Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a substance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Cal. C. Car. Bar. Nate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is generally safe and widely used in dietary supplements and as a natural antacid. However, excessive consumption can lead to health issues like kidney stones. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about calcium carbonate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.